Hello guys, if you are trying to complete the 40-yard dash in Madden NFL 27, here's exactly what you need to do. To start the drill, press and hold both analog sticks downward and this will put your player into the starting stance. After that, you'll see a short countdown before the run begins. Once the countdown is over, let go of both sticks and immediately start building up your speed. To do this, alternate between the triggers, pressing LT and RT on Xbox or L2 and R2 on PlayStation, back and forth as quickly as you can. The key here is to keep your timing consistent because the faster and more smoothly you alternate the triggers, the quicker your player will move down the field. As you get close to the finish line, you'll notice the dig deep prompt appear on the screen. As soon as you see it, press A on Xbox or cross on PlayStation to give your player that final boost and help improve your overall time. And that's all there is to it. Get into your stance, release the sticks when the countdown ends, alternate the triggers to build speed, and use dig deep near the end of the run. Once you get the timing down, you should be able to complete the 40-yard dash much faster and start getting better results. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.